Hello YouTube, it's Dilster here, and I've got something new today. I've got something new. Anyways, if you look at each side, the bars, I've got some bar end mirrors, and I bought these a few days ago, and I've just literally installed it, and I've decided to just take it out for a ride and see what it's like. So far, very impressed. Really impressed. So these bar end mirrors, they're glassless, and they're made by a company called Motogadget. They specialize on, in fact they painted the rights on the making technology of this. The whole thing is done by one piece of aluminium, and it's fly cutted until you get the shape of the mirror, and then afterwards it's highly polished. So the installation on that is really quite straightforward. It literally took me literally 5 minutes per side. Very easy. There's no vibration whatsoever. So far, I need to take it on the motorway, but yeah, no vibration at all. So what I did, you have to order the ends. Well, in fact, you don't have to order the ends. You can actually use your bar end itself and just put it on top of it. But I decided to buy some bar ends from Motogadget, and I use that. It's the whole thing, the whole finish is really nice. But I end up using my original inserts to connect to the bar itself, because that was easier. That was easier to do compared to they give you inserts, but one insert is too big, another one's too small, and the one which is small, it can expand out, but it was just easier just to use my original inserts. But yeah, so the company's called Motogadget. It's glassless, very nice, very slick design. I like it. I mean, it really complements Streetfighter very well, because the way it looks really slick. Yeah, other than that, it's really nice. I'm just riding by myself on this lovely wilderness, lovely scenery. Job done. Happy days. Anyway, I'll see you later. Bye for now.